LG has made an RGB fridge, ladies and gentlemen. And as we all know, adding RGB to any sort of appliance is the very peak of engineering. The fridge will also have an app where you will be able to adjust the color of the RGB panels to your liking. And I mean, this honestly isn't the stupidest thing ever, as LG can just make one fridge where then the end user can pick exactly the color that fits their overall feel and style of their home. Oh, and by the way, it also has a built-in Bluetooth speaker, because of course it does. And it can change colors depending on what kind of music is playing, so now you can transform your kitchen into a full-on party even more easily. But if you struggle with epilepsy, maybe don't get this fridge and instead get one that is only used to cool your food and to hold those silly magnet souvenirs you got on vacation. I love poking fun of people that RGB their things, even though I have a literal RGB shelf in the background. Anyways, so this is the fridge. It's a little bit, the images of it are a little bit weird because LG just used like a lot of mirrors and stuff to show it off. For instance, you can see the fridge here, but then you can see it in the app because this, I don't know, I guess it's just mirrors because that's how they wanted it presented. I don't know, pretty weird. I mean, pretty cool fridge. You know, it obviously it seems a little bit much, a little bit more unnecessary at first glance, but obviously, you know, with manufacturing, for example, if you need to manufacture, let's say, 5 different fridges in like 5 different colors, because you know you kind of need to do that. You know, people have the whole modern kitchen style, they have the more rustic approach to a kitchen, you know, so you sort of need to offer more styles, which just gets more expensive if you don't only have one SKU. For instance, you know, having, you know, 10 SKUs, 10 different devices being produced is, you know, more costly. It's more things logistically. It's, you know, it's just harder in every way than, you know, just having one thing basically. So this is you know, I have no idea what the price is, but as far as that goes, this is not a stupid idea. You know, if you can just literally color the fridge exactly the way you want to do it. These are LED panels, so they're also not going to be using that much energy, I would imagine. But you know, we don't really have any specs like how much energy, how much electricity it actually uses, or what the pricing is, for example. But it's definitely really cool, you know, a very modern thing. And I mean, many people have been speculating that in the future we'll have RGB walls, for example. Why? So you can literally just grab your remote and, you know, you can just change the color to anything you like, because different colors affect your mood differently. For instance, yellow, I believe it's like good for learning and sort of it's an uplifting color, stuff like that. You know, and if you think that sounds stupid or crazy, so I mean, you can see some lights I have on the wall there, but that's not the point. If you look at a lot of modern design, there's a lot of LEDs next to walls and stuff like that that create that sort of a mood lighting, you know. So that's just gonna be going a few steps forward, and, you know, eventually your walls might just look like these LED panels and your fridge is gonna fit in perfectly. So very interesting, you know. I wanted to cover it because it is funny, you know, RGB fridge, the whole RGB meme, RGB everything. Pretty great, pretty nice fridge. I'm probably not gonna be buying it because it probably costs more than, might cost more than my car, who knows.